Dear friends, in class 7, in chapter number 4, simple equation, we have sixth example. Solve 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. We are going to solve this problem in a different way. We know that if we change the number, then also we can solve the problem. Now, we can solve this example by changing the number. So, changing the side of number, changing side of a number is transposing. We call it transposing. When we change the side of a number, we call it transposing. And while transposing or while changing the side, we change the sign. We change the sign as well. So while transposing, always remember this, while transposing we change sign. We change sign of the number. That is, if it is positive, we make it negative. If it is negative, we make it positive. Now, we are going to remember these two rules and we are going to solve the problems on this. So, we have first example, 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. So, please note, we need to eliminate this 5. So, what we are going to do? 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. So, we don't want this negative 5. So, we change the side, we carry it to the other side. Please note, this changing side is called as transposing, and while transposing we change the sign. So, when you transpose 5, negative 5 to the right hand side, it becomes positive 5. So, transposing 5 to right hand side. Transposing 5 to right hand side. We will have 12p is equal to 25 plus 5. Please understand this. It was negative this side. So when we transpose to the other side, it became positive. So we will get 12p is equal to 25 plus 5 is 30. Now we know how to solve this. Divide both the sides of the equation by 12 because we don't want this number. So in order to eliminate 12, we have to divide the equation by 12. Here 12 is multiplying, we have to do the opposite operation of it. So after doing the opposite operation, we will get divide both sides of our equation. Divide both sides of above equation by 12. So, we will get 12p upon 12 is equal to 30 upon 12. Now, this is reducible. 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. So, it means here to the left hand side we will have only p and to the right hand side. This number is reducible by, first let us reduce by 3. So, we will get 3 tens are 30, 3 fours are 12. Now again notice this is also again reducible by 2. So this is equal to 5. 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. Both must be divided by the same number. So we will get p is equal to 5 upon 2. Thus p is equal to 5 upon 2 is the solution of above equation or given equation. Let us check whether our answer is correct or not. So in LHS we need to put 5 upon 2. So put 5 upon 2, put 5, checking, put 5 upon 2, p is equal to 5 upon 2 in LHS, left hand side of equation. So we will get 12p means 12 5 upon 2 minus 5. This is our LHS. So this is equal to, this is reducible. You will get 12 5 is 60 upon 2. So that is equal to 60 upon 2 minus 5. 60 upon 2 is 30 minus 5, that is equal to 25. We have got equal to RHS, means our answer is correct. That is equal to RHS. So we have got LHS is equal to RHS. It means the solution P is equal to 5 upon 2 is correct. Dear friends, next example is example number 7. Solve. In that A number equation is 4 in bracket n plus 3 is equal to 18. This is the question asked. We need to solve this. So please understand, we need to eliminate first 4 because this 4 is outside the bracket. So the given equation solution is something like this. We have to reduce the 4 first. So 4 in bracket m plus 3 is equal to 18. This is the given equation. First we have to do division. Divide both sides. Divide both sides of the given equation by 4. So we will get 4 in bracket m plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 18 upon 4. So this becomes 4 is reducible by 4. You will get m plus 3 to the left hand side, and this side you will have. This is reducible by 2. If you reduce it, you will get 9 to the 18 and 2 to the 4. So 2 9 the 18 and 2 to the 4. We have got 9 upon 2. Now we have got m plus 3. So we need to carry this 3 to the other side. That is transposing. We already studied changing side of a number is transposing, and while transposing we have to change the number. So transpose 3 to RHS, to right hand side of equation. You will get m is equal to 9 upon 2. Now while changing we need to change the sign. Here it is positive, so it becomes negative. Now 9 upon 2 minus 3. Here it is a fraction. Here there is not a fraction. Here it is an integer, means denominator is 1. Now unless and until denominators are same, we cannot do the subtraction. So we have to make the denominator same, or we need to do the cross multiplication. So this is equal to 9 minus 3 to the 6. So it means now denominators are same, so we will get 9 minus 6 upon 2. Denominator remains same, and we subtract only numerators. So this is equal to 3 upon 2. So we have got m is equal to 3 upon 2. We have got the solution. But let us check whether our solution is correct or not. So for checking, we put m is equal to 3 upon 2 in the left hand side of the given equation. So for checking, put m is equal to 3 upon 2 in left hand side of equation. So a left hand side of equation is 4 in bracket m plus 3. So that is equal to 4 in bracket 3 upon 2 plus 3. So this is equal to. Please try to understand. Now here it will be, denominators are not same, so we need to make the denominator same. So to make the denominator same, we will have 3, 4 outside as it is. First we solve the bracket, so this will be 3 upon 2 plus 6 upon 2. Now we can do the addition of the fraction since the denominators are same. So this is equal to 4. 3 plus 6 is 9. Denominator remains same. So this is equal to 4 9 are 36 upon 2. And 36 upon 2 is equal to 18. It means we have got a right hand side. Right hand side is 18 only. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Thus our solution m is equal to 3 upon 2 is correct. Therefore we can say that thus m is equal to 3 upon 2 is a solution of given equation. Dear friends, in example number 7 we have second question. Negative 2 in bracket x plus 3 is equal to 8. We have to solve this equation. So the solution is something like this. First I will write the question itself. Minus 2 in bracket x plus 3 is equal to 8. Please note, we need to eliminate first negative 2. To eliminate negative 2, divide the equation by negative 2. Divide the given equation by negative 2. So you will get negative 2 in bracket x plus 3 upon negative 2 is equal to 8 upon negative 2. Now this negative 2 and negative 2, they will cancel each other. You will have x plus 3 is equal to. Here this side 2 can divide 8. So 8 is divisible by 2. We know that 2 4s are 8 and their negative sign is left. So negative sign will come outside. So it means x plus 3 is equal to negative 4. Now we need to transpose 3 to the right hand side. So transpose 3 to right hand side. To right hand side of equation. Right hand side of equation. So we will get x is equal to negative 4. Please note, we are carrying positive 3 to the right hand side. So since this is positive, it will become negative. Now again remember, both integers have negative sign. So we have to add their magnitude and give the sign. It means this is equal to 3 plus 4 is 7 and give the sign that is negative. So x is equal to negative 7 is the solution of the given equation. Let us check whether we have got our solution is correct or not. Let us check. So this becomes, for checking, put x is equal to negative 7 in left hand side of the equation. So we will get negative 2, LHS is negative 2 in bracket x plus 3. In this equation we have to put negative 7. So this is equal to negative 2 in bracket negative 7 plus 3. Please note, we have to solve the bracket first. Here integers are having opposite signs. So we have to do the subtraction. Negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. This is equal to negative 2 multiplied by negative 4. Now 4 to the, this is multiplication. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 4. Please understand, the bracket means multiplication. So here negative 2 multiplied by negative 4. Please note, it is not subtraction, it is multiplication. So this is equal to 4 2s are 8 and minus into minus is positive. So we have got plus 8, that is equal to RHS. It means our solution is correct. LHS is equal to RHS. It means x is equal to negative 7. X is equal to negative 7 is the solution of given equation. Solution of given equation.